Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women cap designs, different color designs, combinations also in front of you. For those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection, most attractive, most amazing and creative collection in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most creative and most stylish collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet cap designs. Most attractive and most amazing, you know. And others like crochet women poncho designs, women caplet designs, women circular jacket designs, women bodycon dresses, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, and sleeveless dresses, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also, women skirt designs, and women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, baby cap designs, baby frock designs, baby shoes designs, baby romper designs, baby poncho designs, baby caplet designs, cap shawl, also crochet jewelry like crochet necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, and finger rings, and in feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.